Alright, so we out here at the KTM NorCal HQ working on a Jenny today. We got the BK1 over here with the M&S bumper. Don't ignore my wheels. We got the R-Spec BK1. And then we're working on the BK2 over here. Just a little quick sand, quick prep before we paint them black. Doing the front side first because we probably have plans later, you know, who knows. Do the rear some other day, but we out here. Alright, well this is my job right here. I'm just sanding down this with a sanding tool. It's already hella smooth though, not gonna lie.
Thanks for fire?
Huh? What?
Tomorrow.
What about him?
Oh, we're taking photos of that?
I don't know.
Getting hot. You think it's dull?
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Wheel number 2 is finally done. I'm trying to show you guys the finished product, but it's hella dusty right now because it's still all completely wet standed. So I'm just gonna spray it down real quick with the hose. Overall doesn't look that bad. It still kind of looks white, but yeah, because the inside's still kind of painted in, like the barrel stuff right here, but the face is mainly what I focused on. It's silver, so you know it kind of looks white, but yeah, it's overall not that bad. My first time sanding down a wheel actually. It's just a quick wash down before we go dry it up to primer it. Alright, so another hour later and we're about to start primering the wheels. That one's drying out and then we're just finishing up, you know, the last rough edges on this wheel. But yeah. And then this one's looking a lot more cleaner now. Look at that. Results are, I mean, it's still kind of dirty from there, but I mean, it's gonna be painted, I'm pretty sure. Hopefully, at least.
Common sense with that, brother.
Okay, as soon as I turn it on, you guys stop arguing.
Because he sees me doing it to my wheels, he just does the same thing. You just wait. Have you seen me painting it? I'm just doing the sides. Hello, y'all. Sound like kids.
Doing also a little side quest, you know, side mission unlocked. Get some right here. Right here.
And already.
Do it. Just I mean, just right here, and that's it. I believe so. So supposedly Yuya was saying that he saw a TikTok hack where he put the cans in cold water. I mean, I don't know why the fuck you do that. There's a freezer right there. But I don't know. He was telling me to put them in cold water. I don't know why, but I guess, you know, I'm out here doing his work for him.
Oh, you can do that. Alright, y'all. Get it started.
Don't do it too close, though. I don't want to get put on the lens.
Oh, yeah. Here. Hold it from this side. Like this angle.
First coat done on this one, and we're just waiting for it to dry, and then we can do the second coat, right?
I think it should be ready. Don't forget tomorrow. You want me to bring it?
Yeah, and I just come around when we go want to see you.
Oh, okay. Just remind me.
Yeah, remind you. Kicks.
What'd he say?
Oh!
Yo, I caught that on video!
Fucking bitch.
So that one's pretty much done. Well, it's not clear coated yet, but you know, the black paint on that one's pretty much done. Edgar's about to dip because, you know, he's a he's got to do stuff apparently. And yeah, we're just pretty much getting ready to swap the tires. Put that one over there so it can dry, and then this one about to start clear coating. About to start primering it. All right then. Oh, it popped. What the fuck?
Test pipe finally kicked in.
Yeah. Oh shit, the fucking... Forgot the valve stem. First coat. I'm gonna let it dry for a bit. It dries fast, so we'll be back in like a minute. Alright, so it got dark out, so we got a little lamp going on.
Yeah, we out here, bro, but grind never stops, and these look shiny as shit.
Yes, sir. That's the second clear coat going on right now on that one, and then I'm doing the black on this.
20 minutes later.
Alright, we just took like a 10-minute break, but this one should be dry already. It's already done clear coated. I'm trying to see if I can get you an angle where you can see the gloss. Oh, yup. Look at that. That right there is sick. Look at that. All those spokes. Bless you. Thank you. Clear coating the last wheel. There isn't that much clear coat left, so we're just gonna try to use all of it on the first coat, and then come back tomorrow and then do the rears. Another day, another dollar. I started working without recording again, but I basically just jacked up the whole car on 4. Probably gonna redo this a little bit. I don't know if you can see. You can kind of see. But yeah, rears today.
Where's that bucket? Can you put the bucket on?
So yet again, I started working without recording, but I just resprayed a little bit of the shit that we sanded down, so it's all looking black now. It's not sanded anymore. And then that one, I just dried it up, about to tape it up so that we can start primering it. What does that have to do with the socket? Pause.
Some guys are like, oh yeah, that's a 10. Show 10.
Well, I know what a 10 looks like. Camera on the car. Keep forgetting that it's on my head. And just like that, we're done.
Did everything clean up?
Yep. Honestly, I prefer the neochrome lug nuts over the pre ones. This is the Gonza. If you guys want to give it a follow. white ESRs. Carbon shrunk. Without the duckbill, it's just a carbon shrunk. I like that though. But we got the M&S twins. Not the same bumper, but the same company. And it's customized headlights. I like the BMW Hexagon lights. Pretty sick. And then we got mine. Mine's the Ghost M&S front bumper for the BK1. I mainly got this one because the vents. I knew I was gonna get a fat ass intercooler, so yeah. I don't really like that. I mean, oh, he has a Mishimoto one, but this is kind of blocking it. That's why I wanted to get the full from the bottom to the top. All the airflow, I need all that. If I'm gonna be pushing 400 plus, I need that. I'm not talking to myself. Really wish I could have my Bibles.
Yeah, you want the Toyota in the background to talk? Everybody's gonna mention that.
It is what it is.
Oh, yeah, you have a little baby. Like that one. Oh my god. But this is what I mean. Like everybody's here, but you're like.
I was doing a video thing.
Wow. Like,
Ew, why you so rude?
see?
Ew.
I'm out of this one.
I'm just vlogging.
I'm out of this one. Ten Genesis and one Cruise.
And then we got the muddy Jenny over here.
What the hell? Oh my god!
You're worse. I know it.
I like this one. This one's color really stands out. Same kind of